See, in terms of quality, talking about other events compared to this particular events, I haven't found any such, in terms of quality. Quality will be eventually looks after the hierarchy people, the top level management people. Usually, in any of the company, we will be requiring such people only. Those who can, provide the good suggestions, we can establish a good connection. Those are the directly decision maker in any of the companies. So in that way, the decisions and the key decision maker was very good. In terms of one-to-one meeting, usually what happens, we try to chase it out. To be honest, we connect them via LinkedIn, we connect them via call or an email. But in terms of actual spoke, to whom we can get an opportunity, we had a lunch together, we express a lot of thoughts to each other, we have a discussion that how things are working, what are the systems you are using, what are the challenges you are using. We have even actually explained them how our company Odoo can be helpful for their overall business, what are the applications available. So they are using more traditional systems, and nowadays the systems and terminologies and everything is quite involving, and they have lot many things which I have already explained them. So it's overall a very good experience.